How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be going over the basics of using Amazon Merch to start your very own online t-shirt business. If you want to start your own t-shirt business with zero money down, Amazon Merch is the way to do it. So Amazon Merch is a print-on-demand service that lets your designs be uploaded and then bought on Amazon.com by anyone across the globe. The platform allows you to upload your own designs, choose from a variety of different colors, and even pick different types of clothing like shirts, sweatshirts, and even now pop sockets have been added. You then earn a royalty on each shirt or pop socket sold on Amazon.com. The key thing here is that as the designer, you don't have to hold any inventory, you don't have to print it yourself, and you don't have to ship it out. Amazon handles all of that. Basically, once you upload your design, it will be ready in minutes for anyone to purchase online. Making your first design is pretty easy. If you have a graphic design background, you can use Photoshop or Illustrator, and Amazon has a template that you can use for their shirts. But if you've never designed anything, that's okay too. T-shirts that sell on Amazon are mostly text-based and sometimes include a little bit of graphics. The key for this is that most shirts that sell are seasonal, so they're specifically for holidays or a special event. You can definitely start with text-only designs. The first shirt that I uploaded was a text-only design, and it sold within a couple of weeks. When you make your account, you're going to be known as Tier 10. So that means you're allowed to have 10 shirts up total, but you're only allowed to upload one shirt per day. As you continue to upload designs and have sales, your tier will upgrade. So it goes from Tier 10 to Tier 25, and then it just goes up from there. No one knows the exact algorithm that Amazon uses, but it's a combination of sales and uploads. It is very tough to make a lot of sales on your t-shirts when you have such a limited amount of t-shirts that you can have up on the platform, so don't get discouraged. The key is to find a couple shirts that will sell well and really start promoting it, and then that way you can get those first initial sales. Just make sure to stick with it, and as you keep up with it and slowly start adding more designs, you'll see which ones are winners and you can branch out from there. I started in February of last year, and now I'm at Tier 500, and I am nowhere near to filling up all those available spaces. So when your shirt sells, you'll earn a royalty. All royalties are paid out in a lump sum at the end of the month, so don't expect your money immediately for each sale. The royalties are also up to Amazon's discretion, and this is based off of the cost that they have to make the t-shirts, so just expect them to change occasionally. So as of April 2019, if you sell a shirt for $19.99, you can earn a royalty of $5.23. I like to price most of my shirts at the $19.99 price point because I really like that royalty of just a little bit over $5. The cheapest that I recommend listing your t-shirt for is $15.99. That way there's still a little bit of room for you to make some money in there, but the lower price can attract more people to buy your shirt at first. Keep in mind that once you upload a design, any money that you make is completely passive income. It is just royalties that are coming in every month. So let's go over a quick example. Let's say you have 10 designs that are all priced at $19.99. They each sell one time a month, so you sell 10 shirts in a month. We'll do our 10 times our $5.23 royalty, and you make $52.30 in royalties for that month. Now, if you continue selling at this rate, your t-shirts will start to be ranked for those keywords, and you'll see greater visibility, which will hopefully lead to more sales. Now, let's say instead of having 10 designs that sell one time a month, you have 50 designs that each sell 2 times a month. So you're selling 100 t-shirts a month. That's going to net you $523, completely passive income just from your t-shirt business. Amazon Merch is definitely a great money maker if you scale it properly. You can design shirts related to your favorite hobby, but they might not sell if that market is already completely saturated on Amazon. The quickest way to figure that out is to just go on Amazon.com and type in the type of shirt that you were thinking about making. If there are already pages and pages and pages of t-shirts available, I would not recommend going into that specific market. You really need to drill down and find a very specific category to start making your first designs in, and then you can branch out as you scale. So instead of making a t-shirt specifically for engineers, you need to drill down deeper. So now let's go down to chemical engineers. Then, find a specific field within chemical engineering to make a t-shirt design of. The market will be a lot smaller for that specific search, but you won't have as much competition, so you should be able to soak in more of the sales. Now, when you're on the merch dashboard, you'll probably think that it's very counterintuitive. I am a huge fan of the Chrome extension called Pretty Merch. It allows you to see your sales daily, as well as your sales yesterday, in the past 7 days, 30 days, and lifetime. A very quick overview from your dashboard that you really don't get from the original version that Amazon has published. Pretty Merch even shows you the highest selling t-shirts over the last 30 days, and that even drills it down one level lower to specific colors. I'll be posting another video soon that goes over how to use Pretty Merch to really maximize your time spent when posting new designs on Amazon Merch. Besides Pretty Merch, another resource I like to use is the Amazon Merch subreddit on Reddit. I use this just to see what other sellers are up to and see if there's any new methods or practices that they're using to improve their sales. Lastly, I use Upwork to outsource my business so I can take a step back from the designing process and really focus on keyword research. I hope this video has gotten you excited about signing up for Amazon merch and starting to post your own designs to sell on Amazon. I'll be making more in-depth videos about Amazon merch in the future, so make sure to subscribe and click that notification button so you'll get updates on when my videos come out.